Good evening, my dear students. How are you today? Our lesson today is lesson 10, step up to grade 6, area of parallelograms and rhombuses. Area of parallelograms and rhombus. Today we are going to know how to find the area of the parallelogram and the area of the rhombus. It's very easy lesson. Just you have to say the rule first. Here, our rule, area of parallelogram equals base times height. B times H means base times height. Again, area of parallelogram is base times height, and the height should be perpendicular to the base. He should make square corner to the base. So again, area of parallelogram, base times height. What about area of the rhombus? It's the same rule. The same rule. Base also times height. Area of the rhombus equals base times height. Let's start our exercise. Use the formula to find the area of each parallelogram or rhombus. Here, this is the height because he has square corner, and this is the base. So this is the height and this is the base. The area equals base times height. Area equals base times height. That means it will be 1221.5 times 20. The answer will be 21.5 times 20. You have to make draft like that. 21.5 times 20. Step number 1, drop the 0. This one, 2 by 5 is 10, 0 and carry up 1. 2 by 1 is 2, and I have 1, 3. 2 by 2 is 4. Don't forget the decimal point after one digit, so you can cancel 1 0. So the answer is 430 inch square. The next one, here the answer is 430. Here we have rhombus, each side is 15 and the height 12. So this is the base and this is the height. So the area equals base times height equals 15 times 12 equals, you can use a graph also like that. Put 15 up times 12 down. 2 times 5, 10, 0, and carry up 1. 2 by 1, 2, and I have 1, 3. Don't forget to put 0 before you start with 1. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 1 is 1. Make plus. 0 plus 0, 0. 3 plus 5, 8. And drop the 1. So the answer is 180. The next one, parallelogram. B equals 14 centimeter, H 23 centimeters. So the area equals base times height equals 14 times 23. The answer will be 14 times 23. You can use draft. I'm going to find it directly. Times 23 is 322. The next one, the base of the parallelogram is 8 meters. This is the base. and its height twice the base, twice the base. Twice means double. Double means times 2. So the height equals 8 times height equals 8 times 2 because it's twice. It will be 16. Now we can find the area. Area of the rhombus or area of parallelogram equals base times height. That means equals 8 times 16. You can use draft. The answer will be 128. The next one, can you use the formula for the area of parallelogram to find the area of square? Explain why or why not. As we know that area of square is side by side. Area of square equals side by side. And the area of parallelogram is base times height. So area of parallelogram equals base times height. And the area of square equals side by side. So are the two rules the same? Let's check. How we can find the two rules different or the same? Like that. We studied before that the square is a special case of parallelogram. So you can use the same rule. We know that. So the answer is yes, because the square is a special case of a parallelogram. We studied before that parallelogram, the square can be named as parallelogram. Let's move to another exercise about this lesson. Here, number 5, parallelogram base is 14, h is 23. So area equals base times height. That means 14 times 23. You can use a draft as usual. 14 times 23. The answer is 222. Here parallelogram, base 27, height 32. So area equals base times height. That means 27 times 23 equals 27 times 23. Our answer is 621. The next exercise, find the area of each parallelogram or rhombus. Here we have the height is 6 because it has 4 square corner and the base is 2. So the area equals base times height equals 6 by 2 equals 12. In rhombus, each side is 1.5 and the height is 3. So our rule is area equals also base times height. 1.5 times 3, it will be 4.5. 1.5 times 3 equals 4.5. Use draft. Here, base, this is the height 10 and the base also 10. Area equals base times height equals 10 by 10 is 100. rhombus. Each side is 4 centimeter and the height is 60 millimeter. Here we have a problem. The two units are different, centimeter, millimeter. First, change from centimeter to millimeter, multiply by 10, yes. So 4 centimeter times 10 equals 40 millimeter. Now you can find the area. Base times height equals 40 times 60. The answer, it will be 2,400 square millimeter. Parallelogram, its base 42 meter, height 33 meter. So the area here is 42 times 33 equals 42 times 33, 1,386. The next one, parallelogram, its base 16 inch, height 2 yard. 16 inch, height 2 yard. The same problem here. We have two different units, yard and inch. We need to convert from yard to inch first. So height equals 2 yard times from yard to inch, from yard to feet multiply by 12, from feet to inch multiply by 3, so it's multiply by 36. From yard to inch multiply by 36. 2 times 36, you can use draft 72 inch now. Inch. Now you can find the area. Area equals base times height, so it will be, our base is 16 times our height now is 72. 16 times 72, the answer 1,152 inch square or square inch. Let's move to another exercise. Draw a rhombus that is not a square. Label the length of its side and its height so it represents a rhombus with an area of 20 square inch. Again, draw a rhombus that is not a square. Label the length of its sides and its height so it represents a rhombus with an area of 20 square inch. Let's draw the rhombus first. The rhombus is like that. This is rhombus. All sides are equal, but it has not any square corner or right angle. So it's rhombus. I need base and height to get 20. Let's draw the height first. The height with the blue color is like that. Make square corner because it's height. So I need to find two number. Its product is 20. Like the height may be 4 and the base may be 5 inch. Or you can use another two numbers like 10 and 2. Its product is 20. The next one. Emma wanted to make an origami fish for each for her 22 classmates. She takes 30 minutes to make one fish. Only one, she takes 30 minutes. And she needs to make 22, don't forget. How long will Emma take to make all the fish? We are going to multiply 30 times 22 equals, drop the 0 first, and 3 by 2, 6. 3 by 2 again, 6. 660 minutes. Not hour, because the unit here is minute. So the answer is 660 minutes. This one. Number 15. Joseph said that a rhombus with side length 6 meter and height 4 meter has the same area as a parallelogram with base 12 meter and height 2 meter. Let's check. Is he correct? Let's check. Find the area of rhombus first. Area of rhombus. It will be like that. Base times height or side times height, 6 times 4, it will be 24. What about area of parallelogram? It will be base times height. The base is 12 and the height also is 2. So the answer is 24. Yes, he is correct because they are the same. Yes, he is correct. Miss Lopez drew a parallelogram M with a height of 6 inch and base 6 inch also, and a parallelogram N with a height 4 inch and base 8 inch. Which parallelogram has greater area, M or N? Let's check. Find area of M first. Area of M will be like that. Base times height means 6 by 6. It will be 36. Let's find area of N, parallelogram N. It will be like that. Base times height, 4 times 8 equals 32. Which is greater? Yes. Area of M is greater than area of N. Let's complete our exercise like that. The area of rectangle is 36 centimeters, square centimeter. Give all possible whole numbers dimension of the rectangle. Which rectangle has the greatest perimeter? Let's check. I need all possible dimension of the rectangle. As we know that area of rectangle, area of rectangle, who can tell me? Area of rectangle, yes, length by width. I need all possible dimension of 36. Maybe 1 centimeter times 36 centimeter, because 1 times 6 equals 36. What else? 2, yes, centimeter. Maybe the two dimensions are 2 centimeter times 18 centimeter, because 2 times 18 is 36. What else? 3, yes, 3 centimeter times 18 centimeter also. What else? 4. Can we get 36 from 4? Yes. 4 centimeter times 9 centimeter. 5, no. 6, yes. Maybe 6 centimeter by also 6 centimeter. This is all possible to get 36. 1 times 36, 2 by 18, 3 by 18, 3, sorry, by 12 here, 3 by 12 centimeter, 4 by 9, and 6 by 6. The next question, which rectangle has greatest perimeter? Perimeter of rectangle length plus width times 2. Perimeter of rectangle, we know that length plus width all times 2. So let's check which two sides will be the greater. 1 plus 36, 37. 37 times 2, 37 times 2, it will be like that. 37 times 2, 74. So here, perimeter equals 74 centimeter. And here, perimeter equals length plus width times 2. 2 plus 18, 20 times 2 is 40. Perimeter here, length plus width times 2. 3 plus 12, 15 times 2, 30 centimeter. And here, length plus width times 2, that means 4 plus 9, 13 times 2 is 26. So the perimeter here is 26 centimeter. The last one, length plus width times 2, 6 plus 6, 12 times 2, 24 centimeters. So the greatest perimeter is these two sides, these two dimension, 1 and 36. So 1 centimeter and 36 centimeter is or has the greatest perimeter. Let's solve the next exercise. A banner is shaped like a parallelogram, has height 8 inch and length of 1.5 feet. How many square inch? So he needs the area with inch of cloth are needed to make the banner. Here we have 8 inch. We need to convert from inch or from feet to inch. From feet to inch, multiply by 12. So 1.5 feet times 12, it will be like that. 1.5 times 12, you can use draft. The answer is 18 inch. Now to find the area will be base times height, so it will be 8 times 18, the new number. 8 times 18, 144 square inch. So the answer here, 144. The next one, Frederick used all his tiles to make a mosaic that was in the shape of rhombus. Don't forget, in the shape of rhombus, with base 10 inch and height 8 inch. No problem. Carrie has the same number of tiles as Frederick. She wants to use all of her tiles to make a mosaic in the shape of parallelogram with height 5. How long should she make the base of the mosaic? First, we are going to find the area of the rhombus, like that. Area of rhombus. equals base times height means 10 by 8 equals 80. Now we have the same area. And the other one is parallelogram with height 5 inch. And we need to find the base. To find the base equals area divided by height. Area divided by height. Divided by height. So it will be like that. 80 divided by the height is 5. 80 divided by 5, you can use long division like that. 85. Can we divide it by 5? Yes. Right table 5 times 1 equals 5. Yes. Times 2 equals 10. No, because 10 more than 8. So 1 up, 5 down, make subtract. 8 minus 5 is 3. Drop the 0. Now 30 divided by 5 is 6. So the answer is 16 inch. Now we finished our lesson. I hope you understood this lesson well. Don't forget your online assignment. Have a nice day. Thank you.